Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So this is a video that I am very excited to film. I am going to film my favorite makeup products in every category of the pride flag because I am a lesbian and I'm engaged to a woman. And I also do my fiance's makeup. She loves makeup and I love doing her makeup. But I consider myself a lipstick lesbian. And I'm really excited because Pride Month is right around the corner and I thought this would be a really fun video to create to incorporate pride and everything on my channel. So this is a video of all my favorite makeup products in every single color of one product per color of the pride flag. So the colors of the LGBT pride flag are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. So for red, I have this NYX, this is the NYX, crap, what do they call this? Shine Loud World Shaper. This is the Shine Loud liquid lipstick. It is amazing. I have a full review on it, but it comes out in this dome applicator. It is a stunning red lip and it's so long lasting. It's literally insane. This was viral on TikTok for a reason. And it's just absolutely stunning. And there's like a clear gloss you put on top of it. It is beautiful and I recommend in the Shine Loud lipstick line that you stick with pops of color because they look better on the lip. The new shades don't look as good. They look kind of like fake and plasticky, but this shade is my favorite red lipstick I own and it's absolutely stunning. You can try their other pops of colors, but this is my favorite makeup product. That is red. So there is red. Next we have orange. So this is a Olehenrickson primer. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer and it is orange. The product, however, is not. And this is a really good face primer. It's very hydrating. You have vitamin C. My fiance has dry skin, so this is the primer that I've been using on her. And it's just a really good smelling primer. The only thing I would say about this primer is that when you pump it out, sometimes there's like a dry chunk of the product. You just gotta get it out of the way because if you blend it into your face, it does not blend in and you'll have little dry chunks. It's not cute, but this is a really, really good primer, well talked about and loved. And it's the Olehenrickson Banana Bright Face Primer. So this is for the color orange. Next is yellow. So I don't really have any yellow makeup, so I went with like a gold. And this is the Merit Lip Oil in the shade Bel Air. And look at the beautiful gold in there. It's a stunning lip oil. It is so buttery and creamy. And Merit is a very clean brand. The owner created the brand because she was pregnant and didn't want the chemicals in her body. So she created this very healthy makeup brand. They are at Sephora. This is a tinted lip oil, again in the shade Bel Air, and it's gold. It's beautiful gold packaging. It feels very sleek and fancy. And I want to say this is about $20, but it's a really good lip oil. When I get my lips done, like injected, then I wear this on top and it's just super hydrating and lightweight and it makes my lips so plump. Highly recommend this. I actually own 3 different colors in these lip oils, but this is for my shade yellow, which I am changing to gold because it's a beautiful gold lip oil with really small gold sparkles and really pretty gold packaging. So next we have green. So for green, I have my favorite perfume, or one of my favorite perfumes. This is the Acqua Gioia Giorgio Armani perfumes, and it smells so good. So I prefer a musky, almost like a unisex scent for perfume. And this one is just a really good, fresh, springy, beautiful scent. I love the packaging and it has this beautiful emerald top. And I just love this scent. It's my go-to. It's perfect for spring and summer. And this green packaging and the green emerald theme is why I picked this for the green color. I just highly recommend. It's a really, really good perfume. Acqua Gioia Giorgio Armani. Smells amazing. If you like those unisex musky scents that are also like fresh but like musky and I don't even know how to describe it, just musky, kind of like cologne-y but feminine, then this is a really good scent. You should smell it next time you're at the store, but it's a really good perfume. But next is Blue, and this is a Tarte lipstick in the shade Rum Punch. It's no longer available, at least it's sold out on their website, I don't know. But it's a beautiful nude lipstick, and I just absolutely love the packaging. It is this beautiful blue, marbly packaging. But Tarte has a lot of really good lipsticks. I had a really hard time finding a blue product that I really loved that was either blue packaging or blue itself. And I knew I've been obsessed with this lipstick for a really long time. As you can tell, I'm almost hitting the bottom of it. But I'm bummed that they are no longer selling this because it's a really good nude lipstick. This also is probably 3 years old. But Rum Punch by Tarte is a perfect nude lipstick. And the packaging, of course, is blue, which is for the blue and the pride flag. And so for Violet, I have the Tarte Tartlet Full Bloom Eyeshadow Palette. The outside is purple, and this is a stunning, beautiful eyeshadow palette. I have plenty of videos and tutorials to this palette, a whole playlist I'll have it linked below. But you get 28 eyeshadows, and they're neutrals, some pops of color, some pinks, some purples, you know, enough to make a smoky look, and shimmers, and everything is beautiful and nicely pigmented. And Delicate is one of the shades I actually use for everyday eyeshadow. But I love this palette, it's absolutely stunning. And that is the product for the shade Purple. And so again, for red, I have the NYX Shine Loud Liquid Lipstick. These are stunning, long-lasting, viral on TikTok, amazing. And then for orange, I have the Banana Bright Face Primer by Olehenrickson. Really beautiful, hydrating, amazing, good primer. And then for yellow, which I changed to gold, I have the Merit Lip Oil and Bel Air, a beautiful, stunning, nice, hydrating lip oil. And for green, I have the Acqua de Gioia Giorgio Armani perfume. This smells amazing. It's kind of musky, but floral and fruity and summery. Really good perfume, and that's for green. And for blue, I have the Tarte lipstick Rum Punch, stunning lipstick, and sadly, I don't think this is still available. And Tarte Tartlet Full Bloom Eyeshadow Palette is for Violet. And so that completes my favorite products in all the colors of the Pride flag. So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.